Are the spices inspected yet?
Yes, they match the manifest.
Bring the next pallet over here.
The key is the precise balance of besan and spices. We carefully control the water ratio to achieve.
Consistency levels are fluctuating slightly.
Adjusting the moisture input now. It's stabilizing.
Every batch is fried to golden perfection.
And that's how Nimko is made. Frogtons, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.